Hi students, in this video we are going to learn some important questions from trigonometry of class 10. Look at the question. A ladder 15-meter long makes an angle 60 degree with the wall. So always the wall means you just draw a vertical line. So this is a wall. So they are keeping a ladder like this. So this is a ground. Always the ground will be the horizontal line, wall will be the vertical line. So this is a ground. So this is your ladder. Now the ladder length is 15 meters. So this we can rate it 15 meter. It makes 60 degree with the wall. So this is a wall and this is a ladder. So here it makes 60 degrees a question. Now find the height of the point where the ladder touches the wall. So find the height of the ladder touches the wall. So the length of the wall we need to find out. So this let us keep it as x. So according to the angle, this is opposite side. This is a hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse side, finding the hypotenuse side is very easy. The side which comes opposite to the 90. The longest side is called the hypotenuse side. So first identify the hypotenuse side of any diagram. And the angle opposite side will be the opposite side. The remaining side will be called as the adjacent side. Now in this question, they are asking us to find the adjacent side given hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse side is given. They are asking us to find the adjacent side. So adjacent by hypotenuse is nothing but cos theta, because cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse side. This is a basic formula. So which implies here cos theta value is given as 60 degrees. So cos 60 is equal to adjacent side, the wall length, that is x, by hypotenuse side is 15. So cos 60 degree, cos 60 value 1 by 2. We know the table value, then only it's possible for us to write x by 15. So this 15 we can take it to this side. So 15 by 2 is equal to x. So if we cancel, 15 by 2 will give us 7.5. So the question mentioned is meter. So we can write it meter. So x is equal to 7.5 meter. So where the ladder touches the wall. That is a question. So look at the next question. So all these questions they asked in the final exam paper. The ratio of height of the tower and the length of the shadow. So there is a tower. So tower, let us draw the vertical line. The shadow will be there on the ground. So this will be the shadow. So the height of the tower and the length of the shadow on the ground is √3:1. So they are given as the height of the tower and the length of the shadow. So this is h and this is l we are taking. So √3:L. So height of the tower and length of the shadow. So this is h, this is l. So here we are just connecting them. What is the angle of elevation of the sun? So from here, what is the elevation of the sun they are asking? So it's nothing but the angle which made here is they are asking. Now this is a theta. This is opposite side. This is a adjacent side. So opposite side and adjacent side. So that only is given to us. Opposite and adjacent will give us what theta? Tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, we can take it. Now in our question, so theta value we don't know. So let's keep the theta as it is. So tan theta is equal to opposite side is given as √3. And adjacent side is L is given as 1. √3:1 is given. So L is 1. So tan theta is equal to √3 we are getting. So in the table value, what is the √3 we need to know, then only we can write. Tan theta values are very simple to write. 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. How to write these angles? Now for 0 you just write the 0. For 90 it is not defined for tan. Now the in between you just write the 1 for tan. Now only the 60 and 30 is pending. Only the √3 is the hint for tan thetas. So 1 by √3 for 30, √3 for 60. 1 by √3 and √3 if we compare, 1 by √3 is a small number. So give for the small angle. √3 is a big number. So give for 60 degrees. So very easily we can keep it in mind tan thetas. So √3 is given. √3 is a value of 60 degree. So we can write. We know that tan 60 is equal to √3. While we are comparing, we are getting theta is equal to 60. So the angle of elevation of the sun for the particular diagram is 60 degree. That is your correct answer. Look at the next question. The angle of elevation of a tower. So tower, it's a vertical line. So angle of elevation of a tower from the distance of 100 meter from the foot of the tower. So from the foot of the tower, there is a point which is 100 meter away. The angle of elevation is 60 degree. So from here they are looking into the top of the tower. The angle is 60 degrees mentioned. What will be the height of the tower? So this height of the tower they are asking. Let us mention as h. So this is angle. So opposite side they are asking. Adjacent side is given to us. Hypotenuse they didn't ask you. They didn't give you. So this is opposite. This is adjacent. So opposite and adjacent will be given as tan theta. So again tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side by look. In our diagram what are all the values given, let's apply. So tan theta value 60, opposite value h, and the adjacent value is 100. So tan 60 degree value now only we have seen, that is root 3, which is equal to 100 h by 100. The denominator 100 if you bring it to this side, that will become multiplication. So 100 root 3 is equal to h. So here the question mentioned is meter, the answer also can be given in meters. So we can stop up to here. Suppose in our question they can give you the root 3 value 1.732. In some problem 1.7 will be mentioned, 7.3, 7.32, anything they can mention here. So if it is mentioned root 3 is 1.732, you just calculate 100 into in the place of root 3, 1.732, that is the height of the tower. Now while you are multiplying a decimal number with the 100, the point will move the right hand side 2 places. So the answer will be 173.2 meter. That is the height of the question. The tower height is 173.2 meter is the correct one. Look at one more final exam question. If a tower 30 meter high, so there is a tower that is 30 meter high. Whatever the tower, building, everything given, I just draw the vertical line for the buildings. And the shadow means shadow will be comes on the ground. So you have to draw here. Cast the shadow of 10 root 3 meters. So the shadow length is 10 root 3 meters along the ground. What is the angle of elevation of the sun? So sun is somewhere here. Anyway, you will be getting the shadow like this. So this is the angle of elevation of the sun. So this theta we need to identify. From this theta, this is opposite side and this is your adjacent side. So opposite and adjacent is deal with tan theta. So we can write tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent side. Now let's write it, whatever value is given. So theta value we don't know, so keep the theta as it is. Opposite value 30 is mentioned, write it. Adjacent value 10 root 3 is given, that also we can write it. So 10 ones are 10, 3s are. So 3 by root 3 we are getting. But 3 by root 3 is not a table value of tan, because we have only root 3 and 1 by root 3. Let's do the rationalization. Rationalization means denominator should not have a root value. So let's multiply and divide with root 3. So if you multiply and divide with root 3, this will be 3 into root 3 will give you 3 root 3, and denominator root 3 into root 3 will give us 3. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So finally what we are getting, tan theta is equal to root 3. So tan theta is equal to root 3. So what is the, when we will be getting root 3 as answer for tan theta? So that is tan 60 degree. Tan 60 is equal to root 3, we know that. So in the place of theta we are getting 60 degrees. So the angle of elevation of the tower is 60 degrees, your final answer. If you feel the video is useful, give a like to us, subscribe our channel for more videos.